I'll come up. I'll come show now the things we will achieve for market. Iyobosa why waiting for you saga. Saga ni mewu truth dey inside. Our truth.
Now you do le boss. Now you do le boss as if you're a shop. Now you are no joy. So don't get one bath. You go wash it boss. You go dey drop body. You don't know say me na smart woman. You go dey drop body till that boss house dry before you go bath. I enter shop. Ah God, I don't suffer. I enter shop. I pack 5 boxers. I pack clothes. I do like who want test the clothes. I wear 5 boxers for inside my body. I can't wear my big trousers on top. I can't buy one thing. I can't come out. I reach out. I put this boxers give Enogie.
Hello? Hey, down here. Well. As on whatever, you understand. What's on law.
I do the game and one boxers.
What are you hold?
Now I teach these boxers. I don't like with the way one boxers. Enogie hold me. Enogie hold me, cry. Say my man NORA for life. Before I die, now go let life forget you. You are a blessing to my soul. Man, you go thief boxers for me. Now I say yes. I don't like the way they wear one boxers. I say thank God. Say all those things we go they make this thing the ring. I remove everything. Every have to sell it on myself.
Go and share the video.
I go supermarket when I carry follow body, it finish. My friends they call me. Price like this is no, you come over, please. We don't like the way you live. The way you are, we don't like it. Please come over. Come over. And not go. It not be everything already made. At least when we see build together. When my 1,500 will follow me come finish.
Okay.
I know how many of my friends pay us strength for my head. Some money can give me an Enogie. My friends, more they pay us strength.
Good.
You forget so soon, say, now one boss this guy they know you. I go to the shop, I steal a boss for you. 5 bosses. I tell you, say, yeah.
5 boxers. She goes to market, go thief. 5 boxers. Oh yeah, tell you. Let's see how we go thief. Now, meanwhile goes to market and I don't go thief. 5 boxers. Go give my life. I do the boxers in your market. I do the boxers in your supermarket. You can buy you. Where the boxers in your. Where I tell money, if you are the boxers in your, you can. 5 boxers. I want to do the job. And not the I do the 5 boxers. I do the job. Look at it, man. 5 boxers. I want to do go back. 5 boxers. But heavy up. Check it to what? What are you? 5 boxers. Waka. Make una de kata. 5 boxers. I am then okay, 5 boxers. 1. Okay. Here on the 5 boxers if you're going. 5 boxers. Okay. Where that was everybody. Where the boxers in the 5 boxers. 2. Well, 5. A boxers in 5. 2. Okay. Where the boxers in. I had to do the boxers if you're going. Let's make it. 3. 5 boxers. No, it's a long 5 boxers. Okay. 4. 5 boxers. And then 4 boxers. 4. Number 4. Let's go, madam. Number 5. 5 boxers. I'm going to do 5 boxers. On the road. 5. Okay. 5 boxers. And okay. 5 boxers. I'm going 5 good boxers. All we are doing your way. And no, you're going to be 5 boxers in this market. Or you doing it? On that one, as well. Now, I get 2 here. On that one, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's wear boxers. Today is a boxers wearing day. Also, boxers wearing day. Boxers stealing day. 1. Can you find your see, 1, 2, 3. Look at 5 boxers. 2. Nice. 4. We went on 4. The man can't. Yes, if I. 3. Look at 5 boxers. 5 boxers. 5 boxers. Oh, go there. Oh, when we are raised market now. It is nothing but the thief. So, at the thief now for market. For whatever the change the room for such market. Oh yeah. 4. The one go thief go give your husband. 5. Go buy 5 marker boxers. Boxers with the marker. 5. They don't see me. No camera for you. No camera for you. Camera not there. Camera not there. Me I go my trouble. Me I wear my trouser on top. Hey, my husband only one boxers in the ladies. Wash our beer like again. Me I wear this on top. And now we see me. Me I go this. Me I wear this on top. This is one buy. No, say one come food. One come 5 boxers. 5 boxers. Yo, Sanoba who have done this to me. Why I not feel buy boxers? After I do that video, I do saga, kill saga. Yo, hey, oh, after that, oh well, oh, I'm the boxers is not a video again. Yo, oh yeah, you call this gas. Not say anything bad, nothing. You come out, you go out, you go discharge. 5 boxers. Go give your husband for us. 5 boxers. Now, yes. Oh, but when you use one yasha, Jesus, my yash not big. Oh, Motorigua. Oh, Motorigua. 5 boxers. People like I never understand something. Enogie. They pursue Enogie for those man. He can't tell them, why this woman who saw me say, Wani kuno saga sawe say wana sun no sawe say na tokbuwa. Wani kuni saga sawe say. I think una don't hear story now. Una don't hear the length where this one don't take. If they can't catch am, now quick they go. He go take risk. The thief don't give man. Today the man who thief go give. They lay comes on social media. They come live, they call the sagara. Una will be useless women. We be so una the fear Enogie saga. Una the joy Enogie be insult this woman. Wa de ba Enogie gboku na. Okona se no sell ele. Ona ya do bossas in the market. Ona do le give you this market. No ya cook Enogie. Enogie na we investor Enogie. Enogie na wa gbon mayene. O sawi en se ne ona no sawi se gien. O sawi we en se ona yo sawi en se ya we en se. Today na o sawi en se okay o sawi me down o sawi disgrace. Enogie ri gbe agbe we social media. Hello? I thought, man. Yes, now. Put on speaker, this speaker.
Again, I will. I'm sure one forgetting the video for long. It was Enogie also weekend again now my video.
Yes.
You can't video me for long. Again, you will not cool. No, I will make a very look at it.
Yes, now I can't tell you before now. Because I was in a gentle person. Now I know get dragged because I was into this mess of being a talkative. Now I know get below and all this nyama things. God bless you. What? Yes. It's time I know get. It's time there no more training see. Oh, dia way now. When they say why you go come out, got it up. Go oh yeah, let me read the Enogie right up. 5 bosses okuna ara ona ya agwe. At the end of the day, because they are really kuti, no go think support you. You don't know anything.
I enter supermarket, I go use them, I go use hand, pick three egg.
Yeah.
I go use them, pick 3 egg. Mimi, I used to say cook oil rice, make me eat. How many years for Italy? I dey go Nigeria before I know you. I know you are not fit go Nigeria.
Hello? Hello? I greet you, Ross.
Sorry, you don't know me. My name is Pat. P-A-P-A-Y.
I greet you.
Oh, yeah, you use the CC. I'm based and I live in England as a UK citizen. So let me go straight to the point because even I hear about that, I'm going carefully.
Yeah.
I watched your something yesterday regarding this fight between Enogie and his wife. Or who they get down there and I'm feeling like they are I'm feeling like they are. You said something yesterday when I blame you holding me. And really, you only hold like what you the man, you don't have nothing. Well, if it's true, I can't verify it, but one of the social media people can verify it because I'm not into social media.
Yeah.
But in I read it to what you said yesterday. When I blame it, it's good. I'm blaming you at all. And who not to Mudia Kukbea. My man, you I'm telling you, I will want to interview me. I will fly down to Rome. The person you talk to is tapping later, but in a red and in a blue. The man you walk on Mutia, when we are so far, what do you want? What does the man want? I know when you talk at times, Kobene Yali was last week, sometimes you talk about yourself, you blame yourself. But people you respecting no, it's how you train a woman, that's how a woman will respect you.
Exactly.
And I'm telling you today, you'll be mad.
We'll see.
Be mad.
Thank you very much.
When I watch you, I called her yesterday to tell you, you did knock everything. I only got 50 on the phone now. You go in there of Spain. I didn't like the one at the talk. I just boy really about where they to. While I will buy this anything you can help with this lady. She's dying. She needed help. She's dying. She's dying. Because we like living on we saw condemn the person. If this is kind of life. Because look at what it is. Too many. No, that's what it touched me. Women anyway, but woman follow you. So what do you we get another one we talk about that time about one guy called Christian he always go hard Dublin.
Yeah.
No, my guy too much. Too much. I would like to see you one-on-one. We get to chat. My one-on-one for the Watana. I like you. I like you. I like you.
I appreciate it.
Now we carry it up. Don't fall back. Don't fall back. Let no man threaten you.
Yes, ma'am.
Erita said, let no man threaten you.
What I agree with you.
No way, man. No,
That's what you It's West Bros.
My father's family was well. My grandfather's family was. And I want to run out. Really no beer, really no number. If you have a boot. So what him Osara no. No more.
Watch out. I get you at one low. Yeah. Now.
Jamie.
What hold on?
You know, all my friends will come Jamie. No one shop adoration with that way. Originally, of one no voya. O wama bo, o one way is your sister, the husband, your mother.
Ladies and gentlemen, I greet you all with better star water right there. Pick these points. Oworwan, Owe Chris Egbon, aka Nekuku, the fake pastor in Uwelu. Uwelu, opposite Airworker Street for Uwelu Road. Ewani Nekuku be church yi. Owenwe, eye oriyele yi. Enogie we ebo wani jinyene. Enogie na so e furniture. Ni hamu yobuye. Ni edi boni jinye. Enogie also said, day before yesterday, or we here a settle with the here a settle with Otinjine. Ye kujine yo winye rinojina. Ye kujine yo winye rinojina. You don't feel the vibes. You don't see the heaped lie we know they give in our media. And with all these lies, they use to get lovers. Lovers of lie. First of all, you guys are tapped from the grace of Enogie and a wife marriage. You guys have tapped for disgrace. No, now, a grace is what we are in because a shame and disgrace we attack from. And that's what you guys are dwelling on. Those of you that attack from the grace where you carry, the grace that have children out of wedlocks. You understand? When I attack you, to pepe Umenwan. The man signed because I remember. My wife is the best wife so far. My marriage is the best marriage. My marriage is large, big past the video. Why did the video marriage no large? Orimo is the best. Moi was the best marriage so far. So far, you can ever think of. You understand? So, Enogie, Owe Bon. Owe was near Bay. Ewe Yamuji Weji. Chris Egbon, Ewe was near Bay. The fake pastor, no young woman, Umenwan, Yahweh Bere Church. Ne woman I think more PS is not on order. Hello? I don't my juice. What do you do? Yota. Oh, Omonamu, or married there. Enogie. You see the heart broken when you break this woman down now. You see the insult, the humiliation when you give this woman, the disgrace when you give this woman, is going to be your downfall. It's going to be your downfall. It is going to be your downfall. Enogie, the backbone when you get. When you say they move on all this while. Now, Osaume say where you break so. Not be the juju where your mother do for you. Not be your bow where your mother do for you. The person where make the never get you down. Where be say you the people they follow you for the social media. Now be Mama NORA. Nobody. I repeat, nobody. No be your mama. Now be Mama NORA. Women are mocking. You see the situation where you want to enter so. You want to become single man now. You know, they cruise. Bro, I was once there too with you. Now wait till me the life when we don't live now the throw away. Now you want to start now. But you pass me for the media. I they jealous you. The life when we don't live, don't have battle now. Now you want to start now. My backwardness. That is what I am embarking on now. Me, I go forward. Now you are embarking on my backwardness now. Why I'm going higher. I gave you advice. I said, bro, come Italy. Come Italy, come continue asylum here for Italy. I will put you through. I'll show you rules. See how far. See, you will follow up. You will still get documents for here. You feel come today. The people first bless you before me. It depends on your story. You feel land carry now. The people first bless. The people first bless you before me. Oh boy, it is never too late. I said, leave that woman there. Have things with that woman normally. Arrange with that woman. Get trust for the woman. Let the woman get trust for you. Bounce back to Italy. And we yomu. And now we are there. But you dey think and say I mock and they mock you. You dey think and say I dey saga you. But I dey give you good advice. I did Germany the way you did Germany. I did with Oyibo for Germany. I did with Daki for Germany. I chop everybody chop people for there before I enter back to Italy again. I decide to say no. Let me go Italy, go look for people. German document, now to they put on. You go dig. Before I'm going to give everybody the for just land, I have to move. Because this is not what I plan for myself. You get me? Because if I continue the way you did, I for not one woman for Germany there, I go there in house. I don't feel they bold, they talk like a man. You don't know because why? She'll not be my friend. She's just a helper to get documents. You know all these things. You will not sincerely love us. I always say, you say, I love you. I love you. Because woman will love you. Now if you take risk, go to market. Go see 5 bosses. Wear 5 bosses. Tiva can't give you when you change bosses. You forget when this woman got thief come for you. You forget when you don't get anything. You go still go at the buffet house and the buffet go give you small thing like 20 euro. Una got them manage for house. You forget all these things now. Because you don't feel say Facebook they pay. You don't make money for Facebook. Who be Mama Nora? Mama Nora is nobody to you. Now illiterate. Let me read your statements. You never see anything.
By this time, suppose tell me you don't. I suppose you shock me. You suppose don't shock me. Post your ass. Go your mama day. Okay. Your sister husband ass. Okay. Your mama day.
You hear that?
But you can't like me to say, my mama day ask for her magba. My mama day ask for her magba. My mama day ask for her magba. You don't even know me before you buy land. Before you met me, you have nothing.
Hey.
You don't even know me before you ever buy land. How you gonna know me? You go say so, who will try whatever. By now, we might story, we might post estate. Is a shame.
Oh, Saloboa, agbomeruwa bo. Oh, kiri ni diriga o agbona lo bo ene ya yo. Oh, iwo bo ene ya yo. Kiri ni diriga o agbona lo bo ene ya yo. Ekinido imu yu abo. Imwina o imu yu abo. Hey, egwetweki no yu bosiruwa. No tweki na ye nu biara kameba. Oma no ri popo me o. No ri popo mo. Eke no ri aye o baba fiere kweya o. Eke no ri aye o baba fiere kweya o. Iwo wakoma no ri gume kuneba fa. Orisa sonne o na hikmin daren. Eke no ri aye o baba fiere kweya o. Hey, si matado ya. Hey, you're the boss. Hey, you are not hearing me, bros. Bros. I didn't hear you. Domo.
I agree with you, Baba.
What for?
Yeah, I just want to talk something for this issue. You see this Enogie wife, I know say I don't have body, I know say she not still good,
yeah.
But the way people they gang up against this girl,
they go fail.
It don't make sense.
They go fail.
Yes, sir. All those frustrated presenters, other than mama, what do they call that one again? Precious Meg. They just they talk anyhow. You understand? But if you want to settle, you say you love Enogie, you want to settle in marriage, but the judgment are go one side. You are taking side. You are not fair. You the judgment are go one side.
They will collect.
Then I see get all the fault. Say Enogie is a saint. You go let me go to good. I just want I don't like the word this woman. This guy is not happy.
Then they fight Bola, they fight don't get Bola. Baba.
You see man when they beat woman, they stand like that. Which guy you know happy?
Okay.
You understand? So I not say the girl, I don't say you say get issue with the girl too. I know but
Me don't forgive the girl. I don't get issue with the girl. I don't get issue with the Enogie wife at all. Me don't get issue with the Enogie wife.
Because Enogie finish that girl. He finished that day completely. He deal with her both emotionally and physically.
Exactly.
You understand?
Exactly.
So what? And you go help us do one thing. When many Edos in the diaspora, I want you to expose Enogie. Expose that boy. The boy is a liar. He's a scammer. You understand?
Yeah.
So I don't understand.
Thank you very much, bro. Thank you.
So you go try to expose him.
Thank you.
Expose him. All the while, that you know what he trying to do again. He wants to scam again.
Yes, now, no worry, now we're here.
I want you to stop that boy. Expose him. That scam with the scam. Make it stop him.
He will fail. He plan on work this time around.
You understand? They won't scam again now. You understand? If they look for, he don't put this money again and say all the money all the deposit when he put down for when he put in, they're not feel the fund time again. Say for you, money to do document and that realize it. You see it's scam. So I thought people want to say, sorry. You understand? He's playing the kitty card. He's a scammer.
Yeah.
You don't think with this scam. You understand? You don't think with this scam the comfort for online or so many things. People they don't want for when I scam this scam. That the option Enogie was past genocide. I'm telling you, when it comes to scamming, he don't scam. He don't collect. But he could use it like the cover.
Thank you very much. I greet you.
So then I would please
No problem. No problem.
Expose it to the world.
No problem. All right. Hold on.
Shame to you, Fabiaye Noyago. It's a shame to you. After a minute, after you move, Saboro Noro. When no man be a mamu for.
Ogni volta che splash.
Now, my people. Enogie, mama days. It was it by your house. In mama day, it was it by your house. Enogie never build a house. He said, "Don't get house for Magba." Help! And the gullible fans of Enogie, they proud of Enogie for having a bad building house in Amagba. Hello? You are not hearing me. Enogie, you are not hearing me. Yo, so in a fucking berry one. Enogie berry on a cry, yo. Jesus. Now, so this word be. Oh, Motorigua. Jesus. Enogie. Who does he? Oh. Enogie. I tell you. I say go back to your wife. Go and apologize to your wife. And you can agree. And I agree and they were dollar. Go back to your wife, because She go finish you. Osawe say go finish you. Osawe say not the talk. Osawe say I want no beleno na stammerer. You know say they not the talk. First with the stammerer. They don't the talk. They really reserve their strength. But once they start to they provoke, if you provoke them, if they start to hold them a problem. Una Musawe say at Facebook. Una do most of us like social media. Una yaki saga queen. When I got saga king. When I been on the cook, all was done by Enogie. It was a plan work by Enogie. The architect of Osama saying insulting people on social media. It was a plan work of Enogie. She blended Osama into it. That's why I say me. So I don't insult me, cost my wife. My wife will not do anything. He insult my wife the way he like. Me, I don't forgive her. I don't get issue with her. I don't forgive her. Why? Because not being work. Now a husband he dey support. Just the same way my wife will support me. The same way he was supporting his baby father. So that's the reason why me, I don't get issue to say, nah, Enogie. Now, Enogie. Oh, one web, a landlord of Amagba. Landlord of Amagba. Audio landlord of Amagba. Now, they hear now. The way all this, Jenosage, Kolisimudia Foundation, all these 419 people in Benin, where boys, where they call themselves to be foundation, where they no longer use their hand work, they believe on the people in the diaspora to be giving them money. So they scam people, make they eat. Jenosage did America for so long. I know here say Jenosage get house for Lagos. He don't fraud all the Benin people for abroad. He can go get house for Lagos. He can get the diaspora estate, diaspora projects, diaspora, where the diaspora to this fraud woman for abroad. I never see any of the diaspora person wait go Lagos just go put up for house or put up for diaspora estate, diaspora living house, diaspora hotel, diaspora market. I never see him. He bring many budgets out on social media to fraud you guys just the way Enogie is doing. The same thing, and then they do. All for their selfish interest. If you ask who the name they land, now John Osagi. The plan work, the plan, now John. Everything they get. Una, Enogie now just come out now. This one just they grow, they come. Enogie now one of the criminals when never get documents. When they sit down in one room that they fraud people. If they dey one room that they fraud people. The other of your guy, all those ones get documents, they fly all over the world. They can touch the sky, come back. And even though Toto they say hold on, buy ticket, go knock that Toto. Knock the Toto finish, collect their money, back home again. You understand? Back home again. This is how they work. Jenosage now, don't they support Enogie? Don't they support Enogie because you know that one of the agents with this one don't they get that IQ of frauding. Don't they get the IQ of frauding? Once man don't misbehave, they will go to blame woman. They will go to put the fault for woman body. They will go to put the fault for woman body. Now let me go to Enogie platform and read. The same way some of our mumu Benin, they clap and they follow a Jenosage. Now so some of our mumu Benin for this abroad now, they clap and they follow Enogie. If you tell John the truth, they will invest with you, they will insult you, they will blast you. If you tell you not get the truth, they will blast you. Oh yeah, let's go there. Now then, okay, wait, yeah.
No, they do saga.
Yeah. Anybody will insult NORA.
Saga.
You
see this Enogie and his wife, this one passed.
But I don't want to see in write up. He said, Enogie want to talk this morning, 10 hours ago. I regret of doing this. I caused the day I agreed to do this. What do you mean this? Yeah. Nah, picture of you here and your wife. Yeah. He posts this picture. Now this picture now, he want to talk about now. He want to talk about their marriage. and their marriage you want to talk about now. When I call you, know, oh yeah. He said, I caused the day I agreed to do this. That means he caused the day he agreed to marry Mama Nora. I thought she would change. Landed me to this shame and disgrace. I thought she would change. Landed me to this shame and disgrace. Person where you know, right from girl, it never born. You are in there, you give her belly first speaking, you are born first speaking. You guys start living together, you are come born twins. You not fit change them. You not fit change them. Instead, you should not fit change. Instead, you change her into your nuisance. What you are saying in Usawese today is the carbon copy of Enogie. This is not the real person of Usawese. The real person of Usawese, who we knew then, was then when Monica Saga Usawese, when he called Usawese, Pukuyeke. When he gave Usawese that name, Pukuyeke. When Enogie came out categorically said, he don't first sleep with Monica. Meteka wo kuno do wodo. Edumeni wa ire. Meteka wo kuno do wodo. Be wo ke Monica no waro ni ti wa we. Ma wo e do ame. Ti wa we. Wo we no of them boyo. You understand? When Enogie do that video that year. Also, I say was a calm woman. Okay. No, she's a woman now. Then she was a girl. Enogie we converted this woman to become a nuisance. Why that how now when I hear Enogie story.
Wait. Mama.
What are your story of I married an enemy in disguise of a wife. Okay, is an enemy in disguise of a wife. Reason why I cancel and regret this. Number one, the reason why he cancel the marriage, he regrets marrying in Usawese. But I hear, okay, I will say go to the investor, okay. And then I have read this one first. Okay. Number one, I marry a woman who compare me with other men. Enogie. Or when you and you are a criminal, it's only a criminal that complains like this because none of our quality were. Yes. You don't want to take correction from your wife. That is the reason why you complain that your woman compare you with other man. Who you want to compare you with? Should she compare you with animal? Should he compare you with goats? Should he compare you with ram? She's going to compare you with a fellow man like you. Don't you see what your man is doing? Don't you see how your man is, how their home look like? There are good things about all those men that he compare you with, that he wants you to be treating her even more than the way those men are treating their wife. Boy, you were a boy and you remain a boy. And that's why I always tell you, life is a teacher. The more you live, the more you learn. You have to learn. And you must learn in the hard way. Don't play. You will learn. Now, your wife, they see say you're going to do her well. You're going to do her well. You're not giving her that joy that she needs. You're not making her happy. When your woman is happy, she still don't reason why she will compare you with other man. If I do anything negative, well, you know, like, she will call me inside, she will caution me, she will talk to me. I might not agree that moment, but I will pick some sense. But wait till you talk. Then I usually will not see the changes where it did. She will not see the changes. She will not say, when play that is sweet, you will say, honey, I just see how she does the change small. And I say, which one was that? Wait, but when he thought that I don't agree, but I don't go to you work on now. Me myself sit down and talk, okay, Frank, the fuck up for you. Frank, the fuck up for you. I have to go start working on it. Because I don't want fool. I don't want buy woo. You have to learn from people. You learn from people. You copy some good part of people. Use it to correct yourself as a man. That is what Umenwan. Or you might Umenwan. No. You know, the fact what Umenwan. Or Umenwan or Umenwan Facebook. No. There are some things me never hear of. There are some things some people go do. And you have to follow up my life. There are some marriages I go see. I go pick success. Some of the things where they talk here, I guess so where I learned from marriage counseling where I go for Nigeria. I guess what I learned from my parents. I guess where I learned from the slave where I go. For the slave where I go, I learned a lot of things there. The man where I live with, the chief, where I stay with, I learned a lot of things from that man. May so rest in peace. I learned a lot of Chief from Chief Osazuwa, late Chief Osazuwa hand, where I stay with. It gets some language where they use where I learn. M.O., my in-law, may his gentle soul rest in peace, will train me. I learned a lot from that man. The more you they live for life, the more you they learn. Enogie don't want to learn with all his mistakes. When you say in wife go see they tell her, he go say that they use how they compare another man. Also, Umenwan. You can't be a perfect man. You go the right time for your right of saying you are not perfect. You are not perfect. Why you yourself, person will not say not perfect and you refuse to change for that unperfectness. That person can never change. That evil. Now you know you talk and say you are not perfect. Why can't you change to be perfect? Why can't you make yourself perfect? Those things that your wife says in you that is not good. Why can't you change from it? Or when you negbe, or one bonobo, abu emego or you don't hear, or you don't be aware ya born negbe. You know they know. Who born this boy self? You know get sense. Native doctor not see your vision for himself. Now another native doctor will see vision for her. The same way when they call me Omozwo, Omabie, Omabioko, Emebe document, all the way from Germany. Since how many years from Germany? 2021. When they use that, they hire me. I have to sit down to myself. Even though I did with they plan marriage to marry. Oviepa for abroad marriage now, I want to go marry. Take get back. I they be me, I want be me, and I will. Oh, but I be able to log off your module and energy. I have to calculate my brain. After you marry this one now, last time this one not old. You go turn to you go contact what do they call when person done retirement, you contact retirement. When you retire finish now and guy, will help her win and you go to work. Well, I see the easy pay her. That guy to use my brain. I'm never go to work. After not to Italy. Fire down. And Italy are going to be. Go and task go so far. Your mate they don't want to run out. What's the saw? You be guy man bounce back to street. So that way you go out they do this one, at the end of the day, no level. Not money be your problem. My documents happily go back. If you usually see woman when you like, you marry. You continue your life. Nothing land here. I mean sit down to advise myself. You understand? I sit down to advise myself. I come my go see, my go is a nice one. My go say no they give me woman after herself. Go say okay, be a guy, Alpha, follow this one, I got follow this one. You control some of my friends for me. Me for just feel get belly, bon, they live for Germany. I said, Mama, no. Man, no, man, don't like this one. Man, this one not get nipple. Man, this one. I said, Mama, I want to go Italy. I say, are you sure? I say, yeah, it's okay, problem. Now, bounce preach Italy. I come this Italy. I sleep in. I still go back. I still never talk my story. When I do something, when I did Italy, I spread this thing on wall. No, where be that place. On that canteen, where they pack those people underground for that canteen. The social media king. I did underground. I spread and maintain the place. I put door with a break door. Put on the ground and sleep on top. I go to market, go buy this bracket. Rain go dey fall, rain go dey pass inside that net. Who go dey pass the enter the room? I'll come stand like this for work. Rain go dey see the follow God dey come. I do that underground. Now there I sleep for months before the heavy rain come fall. We dey up the watchman. Heavy rain fall. Inside the room. Now here water dey sleep for inside that room. My laptop, my clothes, everything about me, apart from phone. I was left with phones. Everything, water carry everything feel inside water. I have the videos. Don't be joke. Only few of my fans. I know what happened to me. I'm not coming there, come broadcast say no. I started my things myself, alongside with this woman who did for America. Stay with them for America. I don't want to send money that time. You have to go buy laptop instantly. As you see the video, is shock. I beg the water. We beg water till they break. No laptop to do live video again. Apart from only my phone, I could use for the live video. I come once, go to the lodge for hotel. Enogie, you don't want to suffer. You want to believe on eating from people's heads. So they scam people, sit down for your palo. They scam people when they suffer. They do 8 hours work, 16 hours work. All because they are your lovers, they love you, they are your fans. Who do you buy? Who do you format la you brief format come out. FMT, you don't take prepare women for social media. Who they bless you from women. Now you are single, you'll see a lot of women that will pack follow you because why? Everybody wants shook heads. We don't know whether it go fall for me, it go agree for me. Everybody wants shook head, everybody want to do good Samaritan now, everybody want to say that they good pass, that they love you pass, that they be your fans, that be your top fans. Hey, but that you go do like you see this man them where you don't go sleep for nights. Enogie now as you day now, you don't go feel sleep because why? Women go they call you now. Then go they call now. You go do video call. Your cap go peel. You go do so big time that. Women. I mean when it's soft. Now, here is a let's be quiet. Then yeah, be quiet. And then you are solo. Remind me of what if you don't basically live? Now you want to start so. Now, who come the jealous who now? Which person now can be the better person for me and you now? Enogie, they ask you. Which person now come this stand now say, I don't be man, I am a married man. He may be away, I am a married man. You are not hearing me. I am a married registered man. Enogie, you will use your biological children. Do marriage, you don't reject marriage. You don't run, leave them now. Another person now want to take care of your pikin for you. Just the same way me I see take care of another person pikin now. You see that? And look how far. You go come out now, man. You want to go take care of another person pikin. Sure. You are dancing now to go back to single mother. Hello, are you hearing me? Hey, we. How market now? Who laugh last, laugh best? How market now? You see you, this is what makes you a small boy. The predicament where you find yourself now, you not feel settled around. Instead, it's for you to destroy it. That's why when you marry, you never reach to marry. You go to marry. Now what's the end this one? Now the end of it be this one. Now the end of it, for you to call me Umenwan. I know, say I don't offend you. I use my tuning in that of that. I thank you. Forgive me. How I want to settle my house. There is fire on the mat. Oh, Simon, say me, I want you when I want now. You are not my second wife. You are my 002. That bride price, Enogie, I'll go return and come give you back. Not be your 25. How much the 25 car? Some not get what you want to pass for 25 car. Me, I want to fear Google. Automatically, it's not my wife. Yes. Or so I switch to my wife now. Oh, Hannah. It don't become my 002. Oh, okay, 002 then. Oh, Enogie, you never see anything. You see now, Calvin now will call me, Daddy. I'll say my son, and they come. You feel so? Very soon now, my son will be here with me. He ain't already did it. And you know why he's here? He already did it, but Vile Gume get here. Of Via Gume. Here for Gume. Oga we born with biological picking. We are picking. Where you're picking? Now, then I have been seen now. Enogie, where you were? You will get biological picking. You don't call your son now. You feel tell me now where your son, your children, your children now. What thing they do now? Where start? Me ask am where my son they now, my daughter, my children now, and where they did now, and what they do right now. Oh well, Isaka, Bobozi. Agba wonwaka. Oh, when Osaloba ya wewe, Osauna say, Osaloba ya we say, what you know what time? Ganya, ugbe zabakumfua. Ugbe zabaku, umufua, frustrate, kuwekijwe. Kuwekijwe, wa frustrate Osaloba say, waya yene mdedobi agwa, wa wenege gwa. Ali ya ni ngoheni ne mweni abu yu onu anwe, ya wenege gwa agbe. A prayers making all waiting you know begging no prayers making. Am I said you am no gilawa? Not by your child no more do be for no be man no ye week be man call like a week or like wa no ye week be man. Oh, no yara will do well. Woman go, he take that risk. Oh, no yara for you to become a man. Today, that same woman you are insulting on social media. That same woman, you will be here your home. You will be you are posting your children picture. Who gave you that children? Who make you have become a father, a responsible one? Now you claim. And that woman. Now see your all your responsibility. Now you are running away from your responsibility. If you don't know, it is your acceptability, your connectivity to the Lord of divinity that makes you a responsible man. What makes you a celebrity? It is when you take responsibility that makes you a celebrity. When you are running from your responsibility, you can never be celebrated as a father. Father's Day. All my children are not coming for his house. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. They come, they sing for me for his house. Happy Father's Day. I just had bed with my wife. My wife day here now. They come, they sing for me for his house. I said, okay. I not talk. My wife, they watch Facebook. I just lock up. I leave them, we go palo. I follow the play finish for palo smoke bomb. Now I ask them, what no white? So I say, you want this one? Okay, I said, cool. I bounce back to the kitchen. I go prepare them fried indomie and egg. I usually surprise them. You understand? My woman sit inside bed. As a father, I make up for them. That's my own gift for them on that Father's Day. The way they still surprise me as a father inside bed. When you run away from your responsibility, it is because I stood to take my responsibility as a father. That is the reason why my children will celebrate me on the Father's Day. Oh well, both the one way there, both the one way there Nigeria. I still have that same day of Father's Day. I still have to send now. Maybe Father's Day where they celebrate too. Now me see the same money go give the one way there and say, oh yeah, go and buy ice cream. You understand? Oh well, no beer one pardon any way. Or milk ba we young ba. You will say, Mama na Papa Nora, Papa Triple N, no ro wo any. I swear nearby. Now anyway. No yeah, your problem no be Mama Nora. Your problem Enogie na your mama. Issue omuweria goes the way wo wan go. Agboate mawe we bona eyan ma we bona obijuo yi. America wense lugure o amegbo na biu. Many of our women know all these things that they pretend because he has zua. Igbe agere so gbe we oyin ere nwa. Ni na adeba we gbo ha. Are they not settling the house? Are they not making peace in the house? Or have a platform where Frank Victor, God bless you. I know I am not perfect. God bless. Whether my mind not good, but God bless you. Like you know, like you are living with us in the house. I don't need to stay in your house to know what is happening in your house. Your language, your body language, your speech that comes out of your mouth don't already tell most about things that is happening in your house. And I knew also said on your or not be spirits. You go look your pants, you go look your eyes, you go tell you what you are passing through, you go tell you where your problem they come from. And it go be truth. The same thing. Many of us have this Facebook, some now wish, some now wizard. Depends on how they take day. Get that going. You they happy, you they rejoice. What happened? Where? I come back here. Or bebo arewa. Una latia, una do awe saga. Akobe, he don't bring ojuju come. He don't bring ojuju come. Now ojuju, 7 for Abat, 9 for Meswa, 7 for Abat, 9 for Moswa, 7 ojuju for Abat, 9 for Frank Victor. They don't cost more ojuju for Frank Victor. You post ojuju. I come out, I carry the ojuju to my page. I post them too. I'm not going to feel just, they're not going to feel sword for me. Me no go fit use am make money. I still use the joy blog am to still cash out. Now anything we see on Facebook say they make money. I use the juju make money. Where one know say everyone hear you one way. May not they go to this my picture I put my face full video. Judge your juju. So that made you do for quick buy me. Now on a bowling young winner big bay. I don't know you. What time we bought him men and bozag him or what? Oh, who when I go one and I zaga. Our markets. Enogie. Our markets now. How many weeks a day we are compared with you commerce? How many weeks a day when I will see no ya idiato? But when we have Facebook. After what for 3 hours he was sagging. But all you hear we see no ya idiato. All I am we born when we are the post. And then he won ya. Men wa we born get when we zaga. Oh, we may go. Oh, when you go, I equal sick with our pure. And when see no ya idiato that the AK. He and you how you can't do it for the past 4 days now. And we see you, I will see here and we see quite here. And we see my Latvian or settle. Oh, you are born now. I will see it. Wow, you got them. We say got on you. We say got on. And no get anywhere. If I settle the big winner, you have to send a gear or toilet if ye. And we see my lion or settle. If I born like we see it, we see. Oh, here we saw. Yeah, we saw. Oh, again. If you have Zagara, I doesn't answer more. Epa. Nagala do epa. And we say, Gato, I come here. Oh, where's Zaga? It's a lab. We see your boss, Kubawa. We say, Gata, your boss, Zaga Kubawa. And we say, Gata, your boss, Kubawa. I will see your Kubawa. Oh, listen. It's a movie now. You get to. What man you know? Okay. What man you know? You are not me. Come and see. No, come and see. No, president. You can have your father. You are more like it. You are more like it. You are a social media. You are not your father. You are more like it. You are more like it. And then you want okay. Oh, what's that? Oh, what? Oh, what? Oh, what? Oh, wait, okay. I'll come here. What is all that? What is it? What is it? Ain't no Gary. What is it? Go back again. Go back again. He not. He not even. He not even. Oh, he not. Il est calou d'eau, il opéra, il opéra. Mais non, oh, no, ya webunya, ube zabaku, una mfwa. Oh, no, ya wemu, ube zabaku, una mfwa. Eh oui, let's go there. Saka too sweet, so, Saka wana ni nebe. Who will apologize? Yeah, let's read the apology of Enogie. Enogie, let's read the apology of Enogie. Gumeka wari the apology. You can look at some apologize to. Okay. Well, my sincere apologies to all our fans and supporters that saw the recent tragedy and feel disappointed. My supportive lovers, please forgive us. And to all the social media presenters, bloggers, motivational speakers, both who gave their opinion on this issue negatively and positively, I say thanks to you guys. Apology not accepted. Enogie, your apology is not accepted. Now, me talking on behalf of all the bloggers and this presenter. I said your apology is not accepted. How dare you? You beating woman. You have bringing shame and disgrace to all the men on social media. As a man who have wife at home, who are married, you come on media and be hitting your wife. Beating your wife on social media. Then you come out on social media and be telling her, I'm deeply sorry. Sorry for waiting. You first of all go and apologize to your wife first. You go and apologize to your wife. On no circumstances that will you come out and raise your hands on your wife. Uzuo, do you know what you have done? Do you know the damages you have done? Do you know? Don't want to wear apologize on social media. Are you mad? Don't want to wear apologize on social media. Even though you have to go and apologize to that woman because she is the mother of your children. She is your baby woman and she's going to be taking responsibility of your children. So you don't have that right to come out and apologize to bloggers, Facebook presenters. But you have kept that woman dark. You have stabbed that woman in her heart. Then you come out and apologize. Who is Zoa? You are calling your wife enemy in disguise. You are calling the woman that carry your children on her womb enemy in disguise. And you are saying to social media like you are sorry, you are allowing. Adazowa. Adazoe ne adazowa. Una miawe adazowa ne adazoe. Adazewa na yo brother. When adazoe ne adazowa. Now, I don't know what man they pass through for his house. I remember one quarrel, where they quarrel. I came out to analyze that quarrel. They can't change us in a prank. My man Nora say, Enogie not perfect this one for us first. You go to move from here to here, they look for, they plan marriage. Say, Enogie, they go, they plan marriage. You go live there for us. You not go do anything. You not go wash out. You not go play out. You come on. You want to go see this one. You want to go see this one, go see this one. Because of marriage. When my don lo waji wa ya gwale invitation on bu aje marriage e to wa ka ma wene we ke ari ewu ya we ni we. Your house is not settled yet. You are planning of luxury marriage. You want to impress people on social media. When your house is not settled, your house is dirty. Your house is dirty. You come up, they say thanks to live video. If I can hear live video presenter, no, what did they do? How do they make money for their pockets? You come up with your money, they say you are deeply sorry. When they use your platform, they use your matter, they make money for their pockets. The person when you vote for them, that your wife, remember you are protesting your wife first. You come and they call themselves, they start saying you are senator presenter. Now, what pay you are? See your life today now. Perfect man. See your life today now. Frakamazwa. Osumwa. Frakamazwa. Abiyamed. Frakamazwa. Gwemasenya. Frakamazwa. You are jealous of me. Who is jealous of me? And Frakamazwa. You accuse him. Frakamazwa. Oh, Frakamazwa. Because you see, say, Mary wanted me back to me, a back to me picture. Frakamazwa. When I say, jealous. Mary wanted me back to me picture. A month when I was jealous. A month when I was jealous. As you just say, you talk about Oga, Alpha. Where the picture now? And you not gonna post the picture again. The picture don't take it to heaven. I could be a picture where you snap. You not gonna settle your house. How markets? How market now? Now you know, like win, and not get win, and when they come where we and when they come where we are, and when they come where we are, girl, I'm only crying at you. They are all mocking you. And Monica, you will comedy. I will comedy. Girl, kill me. And Monica, kill me. I will comedy with talk. Hey. Enogie, he has been you. Iyo. What is so here? He has been you. Iyo. Ali will not go bedding to that till your car go to talk. What do you mean? I am Mula way. What do you mean? I am Mula way. All this useless single mother, stupid, frustrated single mother, when they sat gamma manora, if I walk here, like me. If I go terrible way, or here, like me, who are your bomb your way at the yelling and Enogie, no, all frustrated, all the way at the depression. All you have is center of depression. Why me no. Why ni robio NORA? Iwe wa guta, oye pa, E ba di mafi Enogie malaki e ota. Enogie te lake di mafia. Enogie te lake di mafia. Nana ya tani na ikuagbe. Wani bungwa lake di mafia. Many of you now,